Hi everyone, my name is Xingyu Zhou, and I am the team leader of Team 2Z. Today I will be walking you through our final product, ICN Navigator. ICN Navigator is a dynamic, map-based platform designed for ICN Victoria to help users discover and explore company capabilities across different sectors in real time. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys all the features we have implemented and the user experience. Let's begin by looking at the homepage. Our front-end code is deployment to Vercel. I'm going to show you guys the website version through the Vercel's public link. Here is our main branch as we visit. After the user first open ICN Navigators, the system automatically checks if there is any login history stored locally. If not, it's going to redirect the user to welcome page. As you can see, the new user have two options: login or sign up. So first of all, I'm gonna demonstrate the sign up process. As I click sign up, here's our username, email, and password, also the password confirmation. And pick up any username I like and a real email. Password. Confirm password. The I button able to visible the password the user already tapped. It can also hide it. As you can see, password is match, and here we go, sign up. We're gonna create a new account at our Supabase backend. After we confirm the email is correct, we're gonna send a email confirmation link to the email the user already typed in. As we go to the email page I tapped, so we refresh, it's gonna be a Supabase authentication email. It's able to confirm. After that, the user will sign in. Now the user is correctly sign up a new account. Now here's our onboarding pages. On the left side, we're gonna collect some information from our new users. And on the right side, we have designed some unique icons and show the advantages of ICN Navigators. So we have prepared 3 different questions and 3 different advantages. After that, our user is able to experience our real apps. Let's get started. Before I show you the real interaction process, I'm gonna show you guys the sign up first. At the top right is our account settings page. Click it, it's our account settings. And now I'm gonna sign off first and show you guys the login process first. As I sign out, our local storage will clean the user's informations. And now we come back to the welcome page. As we click login, we type the email I used before and the password I tapped before. As you can see, the same ones. Click continues. Now we come back and log in. Now I'm gonna show you guys our interactive map. As you can see, there is different markers on our maps. Here is different companies from our backend data. So the icons here, we have designed 15 different icons based on our data about sectors. And we can click different buttons to show the location of the companies, the sectors, and the items. As you notice, some is hidden, for example, as capabilities. This is because our current version is a standard user. As you can see, it's shown in our account page. So we have only accessed about the sector data and the address of different companies. Probably you notice there's a small different blue buttons here. Here's our current positions, and it's able to allow us to track the users locations. Also, we can go back to our current locations when we click the left buttons. After that is our detail page. Here, probably you notice when we open a company's card, there's a more detail buttons. When we click it in, we're gonna go to the specific page of each companies. But now since we don't have the data of the companies, so here is just a mock page. After that is our filters. Our filters allows standard users to select different sectors to show on the map. For example, if a user only want to critical minerals, it's able to click it in and apply the filters. Now our map is only going to show up the critical mineral companies. For example, as you can see, those are the critical mineral companies in Melbourne. It's going to show all the sectors of critical minerals and the item they made. After filter, I'm going to clear our filter first and show you guys our list view. As you can see, there are many companies here. If the user don't want to see them in a map version, you can switch to the list view. So all companies will show up here as a list view version. It's able to show the icon, sectors, and also the address of different companies. As you can see, there's only a few informations shown on the map. That is because some data is not available yet. When we go back to the account settings page, it's able to upgrade our user types. We use Strap to power our upgrade workflow. Here is able to select different plan. Here is Plus plan. Also, we have the Premium plan. So it's gonna be able to support different level of data to show to the users, also the different levels of filters available. After we choose one plan, we click next, permanent. We're gonna go to the Strip checkout pages. It's powered by Stripped. Here it's just a test version. We're not gonna use a real bank card, but the test bank card provided by Strip. Subscribe. Now we successfully check out and able to review more data and upgrade our user type. When we go back to our account, as you can see, now we are Plus users. Also, we support manage our subscriptions. When we go back to upgrade pages, we click manage subscriptions. Now it's able to cancel our current subscriptions and stop manually deduct users' money when the next payment is coming. For example, we click it and cancel it. Also, we can collect some information about like why the user choice stop pay. We submit it, and now the annually payment will be cancelled. We come back, it still be a past user until the next payment. When we go back to map, as you can see, we have different colors. This is because now we have the capability data. When we go back to our filters, as you can see, now we have three different filters about two additional capabilities and locations. So we have designed different UI for different categories of our capabilities: sectors, service, manufacturers, and sales. For example, if we only want to see the companies as suppliers, we can click the supplier buttons and apply it. Now, all the companies on the map will only be the suppliers. Also in the list view, only show the suppliers. We also designed some mock page. They are not being implemented yet, but it's able for future development, such as settings and the notification to communicate with ICN navigators. Also, by the way, it's worth to mention that we have a favorite list. So when users open a company card, it's able to add this to our favorites. So it's gonna keep into the local storage and be visited by users at any times. When we go to the favorites list, as you can see, it's showing up here. Now that's all for our product. Thank you for watching.